Hi, welcome to my scanner videos. We've just done the unboxing of the UBC 125 scanner, which I highly recommend. Got mine from Radio World for £150, brand new, and it is excellent. Anyway, when you first get it, it's going to be pretty blank. You will be able to type in frequencies, scan through the different banks of channels and use close call, so pick up strong signals out of the box. So that's great that you can do that, and that alone will keep you busy. But really, you want to load in all your own, what they call favorite groups of channels or banks of channels with lots of frequencies in. See on the right hand side here on this NICKBAILY software, we've got the emergency, Freenet, PMR, marine, aircraft, CB and ham radio. That was all put in there, you know, out of the factory, which is great. So first thing you want to do is download some free software. I really like the NICKBAILY software. I also recommend that you donate something to NICKBAILY because it's raising money for a charity. But this is what the software looks like, and it does give you a screen. You can see the orange screen there. You can control pretty much everything on the radio. It does show a record and play thing here, which I've not even played with yet. But as far as I can see, the 125 doesn't record on the actual 125, so you can use the software for that. Maybe I'm wrong. Someone tell me if I'm wrong, but as far as I can see, it doesn't. But anyway, so first thing you want to do is get yourself what they call a file to import. Now, in the UK, everyone is using RRUK. They put massive work into this. So you create your account, you log in, and when you log in, you can. I just need to log into mine actually. Okay, we've logged in, and I've been told off already for putting one of their files on a Facebook page, which I have deleted, because you do need to log in, and pay the subscription and download your own files in that way. So, okay, right, so what you do is click search, type in your area, and let's just go, we'll just do the shortcut. We'll hit amateur here, 77s. I'll get my telling off there. And then we will... we've got all these files here, and then what you do is you go scanner export, and it gives you a file. We're on the Uniden type radio, so the top two, if you're on the TRX 102, the Whistlers, that's the next one down. So I'm just going to go, oh, there's even a scan 125 convert CSV, which is pretty good, but just going to go like so. And radio reference do have a scan 125 software as well, which you get as well. And they have I'm pretty sure they have like a virtual method of controlling things as well. So anyway, you saw it there. It gave us a file called amateur. Then you go to your device. I'm using the NICKBAILY software here, but you could buy, I've got one down there called the ARC 125, which is a paid for one, but you do get this nice color screen when you connect to it. I will show you that in a minute, but let's first of all just use the NICKBAILY one here. So we're going to go load scanner settings. It's going to find, so I've got lots of files here that I've been saving. I'm just going to save that one for now, and it will import what is ever on that file. So you decide what you're going to import. If you want, you know, they call these service. We've got air control, military. It's all for personal use, national, military, amateur. It just goes on and on and on. And it's not, this scanner is not digital, so you're not going to get all the DMR stuff, you know, but you'd be surprised how much how many people are still using analog scanners, and it's a lot more than you will ever need. A lot of people say, well, they don't get them anymore because they can't hear this, that and the other. No, there's still a lot to listen to. Plus, if you're into ham radio and CB and 11 meters, no, I'm not sure if it will get 11 meters, but it might. I'm trying to think. Yeah, it does, but you need to change the antenna. So now if we look at what we've just imported, look at all these things we've just imported, and a big thanks to Merv there, because that's where this came from. Massive list, and I can't share this because if it's been sourced from Radio Reference UK, I can't share it, yeah. But anyway, you get the idea. So we've now got all these things that we can scan, and we've got search banks here as well that we can select. We can select the bands here, aircraft, VHF mode. There's lots and lots on there. So once you've done that, your scanner is going to be full of frequencies. And remember, you can just, whenever you want, you can just press the hold button and type in a frequency and save it to your quick save anyway. And that's nice and easy. You've got the scan here, search, So have a little play with this. Hope this gets you going. And I'm still learning scanners, but I am enjoying it. It's an inexpensive way. The software that you get with for the 125 is, there's so much out there. Let's close this one down. I'll open up the one I paid for, and then we'll do a read. So let's go. I'm trying to think now. Read. It's seeing my scanner. Read from the scanner. You can only read one at a time, and it automatically found that we're using USB 7. It might take a while. And then to get the virtual screen control, you just click up here where it says VC. Let's see if it will let me do it while it's loading. No, it won't. So I'll just press a pause until it loads. So let's hit it, and we should get screen control with a bit of luck on this. There it goes. Oh, it's trying to do it. There you go. Now, this is actually similar to the screens that you get on the newer models. So we need to connect to the item or the scanner. So at the moment we're showing history log on the left here. There's a little tab on the right. See it? Click that. Then select your 7, and to find your device manager, go right click, device manager, double click, there it is there, 7, okay? And we're just going to click, it's saying, so I'll click stop, no communication, let's try again, stop, start. What am I doing wrong? I have plugged it in. Could be that I'm running other software. I think I've turned all them off. So we'll go stop, start. I'll just plug the cable in and out. That's what we do. Go like so. Plug it in. Make sure it's in the device. 125. It worked the other day perfectly. Then I'll just close it down and restart it. That worked, so I just closed it down and restarted it, and look, it's there. Let's click a few buttons. We can click hold. Now you can do this on the actual scanner. We can type a frequency 145.750. Have I gone too far? No, that is my GB3BC, and then click hold. And that's the frequency there. And if someone was speaking, we'd better listen. Squelch here. Volume, let's click search. We can go up and down here with the up and down arrows. Click search. Just starts to search from that frequency. So there you go. You've got the history log, and there's a lot more to this software. If you look at the top here, it'll directly link to radioreference.com. You can import, export files. And we'll do a really detailed video on it. So thanks for watching my channel. This should get you up and running and add a nice file to your Uniden 12573. All the best.